All right, things are sounding good, and I just basically made the material in order of like the videos that you sent in. So I'll cover the specific questions. Hopefully, I remember everything as I get to each new thing. So here's the next gallopy thing. So gallop to reverse gallop, just back to back, and once again, palm muting all the 16th notes, none of the 8th notes. So here we go. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 1 and 3 and a 4 E and 1 and a 2 E and a 4 E and 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. $41, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $180, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetitions. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to breathe. That stuff is a workout. Okay, so this guy. Question that you had, is it... Yeah, pull-offs are typically harder for most people. Usually people have easier time doing the hammer-ons first. So, yeah, makes perfect sense to me. Just pull-offs are a bit harder to do. So yeah, starting off with the pull-offs makes sense that it would be a little bit slower than starting off with the hammer-ons. So with this in mind, it's kind of a combination of the two. So we got the hammer-ons to start this pattern, yes. But then in the middle of the bar, we switch to the pull-offs. And then go up, hammer-ons, and then start with the pull-offs. All right, 50 coming up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 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 2, 3, 4. Remember, work this up in twos, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I better stop there. Whew. Okay. Questions about the tremolo stuff. So yeah, I got a different pattern here. Good to play on all the different strings, of course. Um, so you talked about going 140 to 145 is like a huge jump. So don't go 140 to 145. Go 140 to 141. Okay, go up in ones. Go up in ones. Really ease up there. Um, most bands aren't playing that fast, and even if they do, like the more extreme death metal bands, it's more like short bursts or shorter bursts. And then you also got to keep in mind what you hear on every record, every recording is a lie to some extent. Like, especially newer bands, like, it's not a live performance very much. There's so much editing that goes into it nowadays, which is, I think, bad. I don't like it. I don't like how there's too much editing with modern metal, which is one reason a lot of modern metal stuff I don't really care for because it's not very genuine. It's like it doesn't come across. Um, just there's something lost with it, like when it's too polished. But anyway, like yeah, playing like 15 notes per second is extremely fast picking for pretty much anybody. Um, I had another guy he wanted to be able to play at 240 with 16s because he said like a lot of cryptopsy stuff does that, and he has some other songs in mind. And it's like, yeah, cryptopsy does do a bit of that. I can't remember how many notes per second is that. Let me see, because I know 180 is the 12. That's 11. I went backwards. That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 notes a second. So, all right, well, that would be, yeah, playing at 160 with the sextuplets. But like you said, you could do the 200 in the short burst. So, yeah, it's a short burst for the most part. And then, like in the studio, you could just do many, many takes. And a lot of times they're just copying and pasting what would be a good take to make sure that everything sounds the best it can possibly sound. So, like live, a lot of times people will just stop picking for a moment, like maybe a brief moment, just so they can continue on. Um, yeah, like it doesn't happen very often. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. So really, it's a matter of what do I want to say? As far as like how much should you be pursuing this, it really comes down to your own personal goals here. Like, are you going to write things that are that fast? Like, have you come across songs that are that fast for any length of time? um just remember, like, it's extremely fast, and it takes quite, you're basically pushing your limits. So the closer you get to your limits, the harder it is to go any further. Creating new limits, personal bests, personal records for yourself. It takes time. It just takes time. And now that you're already hitting far above average speeds, you have that. It's just going to take that much more work. Like going from 135 to 140, you said, not that big a deal. But going 145 or 140 to 145 is a big deal. So 145 to 150 would be an even bigger deal. So the closer you get to that ceiling, the more work it takes to get there. That's just the way it is. That's just biology. That's just the way we are. So yeah, go up in ones. You get to that point where just going from 140 to 145 is too much. Go up in ones. Everything to do with this is just add a beat. Like what you can do is get that, say, to the 150, and then add one beat, add one beat, add one beat. So just add a little bit, add a little bit. That would be the thing to do there. So let's demo this guy, starting at the 50. All right. So yeah, going up in 5s with this would be fine, but yeah, once you get to that point where it's a big struggle to go 5 again, go up into 1s. And remember to take plenty of breaks as you practice it up. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. B string, 1, 2, 3, 4. G string, 1, 2, 3, 4. D string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it, 1, 2, 3, 4. I questioned that one. I'm starting to get fatigued. The other thing to keep in mind is, like, live performances. How accurate are they really going to be? Guarantee it's not 100%. Studio, sure, they can make it 100%. But live, guarantee pick strokes are being missed. There's fluctuations of tempo. Absolutely guarantee that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A string, 1, 2, 3, 4. E string, low E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta change the pitch of the note there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. All right, so I hope I answered all the questions that you had. I think so. But any more questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again in your new videos.